In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to thicken video corners in Canva. We'll walk through this together step by step, so even if you're new to Canva, you'll be able to follow along easily and get a clean, professional looking result. First, open your Canva design and make sure you have a video element on your canvas. This could be a video you've uploaded yourself or one you've selected from Canva's library. Click on the video once so that it's actively selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a border around it and editing options appear along the top of the screen. Now look towards the top toolbar for the corner rounding icon. This is usually represented by a small square or rectangle with curved corners. Go ahead and click on that corner rounding icon. When you do, Canva will activate the corner adjustment options for your selected video. Next, you'll see some lines or a slider beside the corner rounding icon. These lines represent how rounded your corners will be. Click on the lines beside the corner round icon to open or adjust that control. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a slider you can drag left or right, or as a numerical control where you can increase or decrease the corner radius. To thicken or round the corners more, drag the slider slowly to the right, or increase the value if there's a number. As you do this, look closely at your video on the canvas. You'll see the corners becoming more curved and visually thicker or more pronounced. If you want a subtle effect, keep the rounding low. If you're going for a softer, more modern style, try increasing the rounding until the corners are clearly visible, but not so extreme that it distracts from your content. If Canva shows any on-screen prompts or hints, make sure to follow them. These prompts might highlight the slider, show you the percentage of rounding, or give you a preview of how it will look. They're there to guide you and confirm that your changes are being applied correctly. Take a moment to fine-tune the rounding until it matches the style of your design. Once you're happy with how your video corners look, you're done. You've successfully thickened the video corners in Canva and created a more polished, customized design.